I think for me it's been to put a tangible sort of conscious framework around the way that I've been managing myself as a leader. Um, with a lot of different projects, I think inherent to the response community is the necessity to coordinate effort across jurisdictions, across levels of government. And I think that in planning and execution of plans, those are necessary. And so being able to lead up, down, and across, as well as to keep kind of a conscious awareness of where you are individually is important. I've learned that everyone has a boss, and that it's important to not try to guess what your boss wants. You can't be too proud to ask. I think that manages everyone's expectations. It hopefully will help you to deliver what your boss wants, and it hopefully it will keep your efforts not. Help your efforts not to be in vain. Connectivity wise, I think one of the things I think is difficult in preparedness is to generate a sense of urgency outside of the context of a crisis. So connectivity is good because I think relationships allow you to share ideas that can gain traction through your partnerships with other people and other silos, that finding common ground and common benefit of the things that that you're trying to push forward. Being a paramedic, it's kind of inherent to everything you do. So every time you show up on an emergency, you're responsible. You're in that leadership role, and I think I've drawn a lot of correlations in kind of higher level leadership from the things I've done as a street paramedic. I think as you back away from kind of the epicenter of the incident, you're still gathering information, assimilating information, making good decisions based on the information that you gather. And sometimes it means you're not going to have a complete picture of what's going on, but you just make the best decision that you can at the time. And I think if you're keeping in mind where you are personally, sizing up the incident appropriately, and then using the 5 domains of meta leadership, I think ultimately you probably make a good decision. I'd take away the relationships first and foremost. I mean, I've met amazing people here, from the faculty, the support staff, the other attendees have been incredible. So that would be the greatest benefit, is the networking. I think another important takeaway from this is a notion that America is actually in very good hands. From the federal level people that I've met in this program, I think despite the fact that government often is criticized by its citizens, I think Americans are in very good hands, and there are brilliant people that serve them every day in the government.